Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Walmart. We are here to do our weekly rebate haul. We're not going to be using that many apps today, mainly because even though there is like 45,000 shop kicks that you can get back at Walmart, the deals just aren't there for me. Same thing with swagbucks, checkout 51, none of that is there for me this week. But we've got a ton of P&G offers on Ibotta, and I have a lot of P&G offers for Brand Club that I'm gonna pair with that. So hopefully we're going to save quite a bit of money today. And then I just have one little offer that I'm doing on Fetch, and that's it this week. Just the deals just aren't there for me. Now going in this morning, I didn't know how many offers I needed to get. So I've already filmed my haul technically, and then I waited to see what my offer was going to be and then film my intro for the video. And my offer for this week is $3 for 6 offers, and that's my Weekend Warrior. So super happy with that, but I think I'm gonna do a little bit more than 6 just because of the items that I wanna get. So anyways, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Sarah, and I like to show you how to save money any way that I can. There is a Google Doc linked down below in the description box for you to help you out in store or to help you plan your trip. My hair is a little bit crazy today, but you know what? That's just my hair. That is just my hair. It's never been like super like with it together. My hair's always been crazy. But anyways, maybe some of you can relate to that. So we just try to tame it the best we can. So anyways, let's go inside, guys, and see what we can do. So first we're gonna grab the Cetaphil wipes. They're $6.97. My store only has one left. But we're gonna grab this and we're gonna use the $3 printable coupon from coupons.com. And then we are going to submit our receipt to Ibotta. We'll get back $2.50. I am also going to be getting a bonus on Ibotta as well, because this will be the 3rd time I've bought this product. Then I'm gonna submit my receipt to Brand Club, and I will get back $2.25 from a survey that I did on there, making this free and a $1.78 moneymaker. So next we're gonna do the Olay cleanser. We have a $2 coupon in the July P&G. This is going to be a very strong theme this week. In this week's video is P&G deals. So you're going to need that July P&G for this haul. But anyways, you have a $2 coupon for the cleanser here. Then we have a $2 rebate on Ibotta as well. So we're gonna grab just the classic one here. And then we're also going to submit our receipt to, we're gonna sync it to, I almost said swagbucks. We're gonna sync it to Brand Club. I'm gonna get back $2.25, $2.50, sorry. And that's gonna make this free and a $1.03 moneymaker. So I'm in the hair care aisle and I'm wanting to grab the nutrient blends, the full size ones. And I noticed that the price of the items that I was gonna grab was $1 more. So there'd be $2 added onto my total. But then I got to looking around and I noticed there was a lot of clearance. So I saw these up here for $3.83 a piece. This Curl Affair Curl Reshaping Cream. So anyways, 2 of these would equal out to $7.66. We have this 5 off 2 coupon from the July P&G, so we're gonna grab 2 of these. And then we have a 5 off of 2 rebate back on Ibotta as well, and it attaches to those. So then I'm also going to submit my receipt to Brand Club because I have 2 products here and I have 2 Pantene surveys, one for $2.25 and one for $2.50. I'll get both of those back. I always have in the past. Let's try to make this work here. So that's gonna make both of these free and a $7.09 moneymaker. So going from, oh man, they don't, you know, it's gonna be more, to having a $7 moneymaker. So I love it. I love it when the deals don't work out and they work out better in your favor. So I'm also grabbing Head and Shoulders, and this is also on clearance. So I'm gonna grab this white charcoal kind here. I'm gonna grab a shampoo and conditioner. They're $2.44 a piece. So the both of them will equal out to $4.88. And we have this 3 off 2 coupon, of course, from the July P&G. We also have a 3 off of 2 rebate on Ibotta as well, that one attaches to. I double checked the cents. So then that right there is going to be a moneymaker. But then I have a $2.50 rebate on Brand Club. But since it's under the $2.50 mark, I also have a $2.25 one that I am going to do as well. So like I was saying, that because this is under the $2.50 mark, I have a $2.25 survey available that I'm going to do. And that's going to make both of these free and a $3.37 moneymaker. Now, I did some surveys last night and I'm over my limit, so I'm going to wait to sync my receipt until after I do the survey for this here. And then that way I'll get the $2.25 back for this as well. So super happy with what I found today so far. So next we have Safeguard hand soap. There's also a, oh, this is new, this hand wash. Anyways, we also have, I do believe, a rebate for the sanitizer, but I'm gonna get the hand soap. Oh, it says hand wash on here too. Oh, what am I thinking? Anyways, back to what we're talking about. These are $2.97 and there is a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta, but I have a $2.75 rebate back on Brand Club. So that is gonna make this here, sorry about that, it's gonna make this free and a 28-cent moneymaker, and I'll definitely take it. And this one smells amazing. This is also another P&G product. So the next deal is this again. So it's not gonna be a moneymaker for me this time, but it's still gonna be super, super cheap. So we're gonna grab 2 of the Always Discreet liners, the number 3. Also, I heard works for the 2 as well. So there's that. So the 2 of these would equal out to $10.24. We're gonna use this 5 off 2 coupon from the July P&G. And then we also have a $5 off 2 rebate on Ibotta. So it's gonna make these just 12 cents a piece, or 24 cents if I can grab them. You know what I mean? So anyways, I'm gonna grab them. Next we have Always Ultra Thin pads. I don't think I've ever bought this kind before. I don't know. But anyways, we're just gonna grab 2 of these number 2s here for $4.67. Oh my gosh, I just can't grab things today. The 2 of them will equal out to $9.33. We have a $3 off coupon from the July P&G, and then we have a 3 off 2 offer on Ibotta. I also have a $2 offer on Brand Club for Always products, and that's gonna make these just $1.34 for both of them, which I think is an amazing deal. I also realized that I have a $2 offer on Brand Club for Always Discreet, separate from this Always. So that's gonna make these a $2.26 moneymaker, and I'm so happy about that. Next we have the U by Kotex liners. Now I am gonna grab these 2 down here, they're the same price. So I grabbed the pads coupon. I have the right coupon out in my vehicle. So we are gonna grab these 2 here. They're gonna be $5.94. We're gonna use this 4 off 2 coupon. And then we're gonna submit our receipt to Ibotta and get back 50 cents on Ibotta. I have to show it here on the screen. So we're gonna grab these. So we're gonna submit our receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents back on each one. My other account has $1, but this account has the better bonus on it. So anyways, then I'm also going to submit my receipt to Fetch Rewards for 1,000 points back, which is $1, making these guys free and a little tiny moneymaker of 6 cents. So I'll definitely take it. Next, we're gonna do the Dawn, and I'm really excited to try this. I don't know why, I'm just excited. I'm also excited to keep the pump and reuse it. But anyways, these are $2.83, and we have a $1 off coupon in the July P&G. We also have a $1 rebate on Ibotta, as per the usual. So we're just gonna grab this for 83 cents. I think that is an incredible deal. So next we're gonna get the Febreze touch spray. I love this stuff, I buy it anyways. So I'm gonna grab one for $6.94. We have a $3 off coupon, which is such a good coupon, from the July P&G, of course. And then we're also going to submit our receipt to Ibotta and get back another $3 on Ibotta, making it just 94 cents. I'll pay 94 cents for this any day because I buy it typically anyways. So I love this stuff. And if you're not familiar with the touch, it just means that when you spray it on your couch or wherever you spray it, when you sit on it, you get a little burst of freshness. So that's why it does that. It's really neat. So because we have quite a bit of money makers, I'm gonna grab this Cascade. It's $4.94 and we have a $1 rebate back on Ibotta. I'll show you right here. We have a $1 rebate back on Ibotta, making it $3.94, and then maybe it will trigger some surveys on Brand Club. So super happy with that. This is everything we're getting today. I just found out what my bonus is, so I'm not gonna keep going because I have quite a bit here. My bonus this week is $3 for 6 offers. On my other account, it's $5 for 15 offers. So I'm definitely gonna do the 3 for 6 because some of the rebates I have here are higher than my other account. Not that that even matters to you guys, but I'm just yammering here. So anyways, this is everything we're gonna get. Hopefully all the P&G coupons work together in one transaction. And we'll meet you out in the car and tell you how everything went. All right, guys, so we are back in from Walmart, and there was a few little hiccups, nothing crazy though. So we'll talk about those first, and then we'll go over the numbers. So I made 2 little mistakes. I didn't realize that my Cetaphil printable was expired by 1 day. And that happens a lot. You know what I mean? You think it's 1 day, it's another day. So that's no big deal, because when I had to come out for my Kotex coupon, the one that I talked about in the, earlier in the video, I also grabbed a $4 printable for that Cetaphil as well, so that I could use a coupon for that. Now, how I keep getting those Cetaphil printables, I talked about this in my CVS video. So you have to go to Cetaphil.com and you have to put in your email address and a few bits of info, and then you get the coupon. I think I'm crooked. And then I fix it, and then I'm like, no, now I'm really crooked. So anyways, if you go in and you type in Jane Doe 773 and that's your email address, you'll get the printables. But if you've already signed up, you can go in there and sign up and go jane.doe773@gmail.com, and you will still get the printables. And then, so when you enter in that email, it gets rerouted back to your original email address, the Jane Doe 773. So you can keep getting printables that way. It's just a little email trick that you can do. So that's how I keep getting them. And of course I have like 35 email addresses. So anyways, that's how I keep getting the Cetaphil coupons. I do not purchase them. Now, the only issue I had with a coupon was the Always Ultra Thin pads or liners. Now, I don't know if it's a coating issue with the number 2 type pads that I got, or if it's just because it's a finicky coupon. But the cashier put that through for me totally fine. You know how like sometimes with P&G products, most of them, you scan them, and if you scan a coupon, then it'll ensure that it will attach to that. I didn't do that. I just scan the items and then scan the coupons. Sometimes you can get lucky if you scan, say like, your coupon, or you scan them in a certain order and then you scan the coupons in the same order. A lot of times that will work too, but she put it through for me, so that's no problem. So that brought my total down to $38.48. I got back $27 on Ibotta. Now, when I submitted my receipt, I had to verify more offers for the Safeguard and the Dawn, but those went through fine after I did the verifying. Then I got the $3 Weekend Warrior bonus. I got back a $1 Cetaphil bonus because that was the 3rd time I bought a Cetaphil item. I got 2 with CVS earlier in the week. Then I submitted my receipt to Fetch Rewards and I got back $1.06 back for the liners. Then here's where the big money comes in. It's not as much as Ibotta, but it's a lot. So I got back $19.25 on Brand Club. Now, I'm not having any issues with Brand Club. It still takes a little bit of time to get the money back, but I still get the money back on my offers. So I'll go through and tell you what the offers were on Brand Club. Sometimes, I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I mix up $2.75 and $2.25 and $2.50 on the offers for Brand Club, but it's always correct in the Google Doc. And when I say the math, like the total of the product, that's typically correct too. It's just I get the numbers mixed up sometimes and I don't know why. So anyways, I should get back $2.50 for the Always Discreet, $2.75 for the Safeguard, $2 for the Always pads, liners, ultra thin, whatever they are. I should get $2.50 and $2.25 back for the Pantene, $2.25 back for the Head and Shoulders. Thank God those were on clearance. Oh my God, I was so excited. $2.25 back for Cetaphil and $2.75 back for the Olay face wash. So that's $19.25 back on Brand Club. And that's all I did. I didn't do swagbucks. I didn't do Shopkick. I didn't do Checkout 51. It didn't really go much on Fetch. So it's just a bit of a slower week. You know what? That's totally fine with me. So what does that make my total for everything? Well, it makes it all free and an $11.77 moneymaker. And that makes me so happy because I think I got some really good items, and I was so shocked by the hair clearance at my store. And you know, Walmart's clearance varies by store. So when you see people get clearance at one Walmart, it's typically not clearance at my Walmart. Typically, it is not. So I just, yeah, I don't usually get a lot of luck with clearance, but you never know. You just never know. So if you are unsure of Brand Club, I totally get it because it's not real instant like Ibotta. It doesn't have the track record like Ibotta. Customer service is severely lacking. But if you want to give it a shot, then I do have a link down below for a tutorial video on Brand Club. I probably should do a different one because it's been a little while since I did that, and as time goes on, we learn more things. I also, from saving with Shay, I found she put up like what you should answer for all the different types of surveys so that you get the survey. And now that I follow that, I get all of the surveys. I don't get an error back. So I definitely would like to put that in a Google Doc for you guys, and all credit goes to her. She put a lot of work into making those screenshots. I definitely did not do those. So I definitely want to put them in a Google Doc for you so that you can always reference it, because I can't put pictures down below. You know what I mean? But anyways, I think that is everything, guys. So definitely check out the Google Doc down below. I will have hopefully a Google Doc with those pictures, but like I said, I definitely did not make those. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you all in the next video. And I miss you, Jody. I hope I see you soon. Bye, guys. So one item I am going to grab because I have a lot of money makers and I'd love to pick this stuff up. So the Cascade is $4.94. Now you can grab one, get a $1 rebate, and it's $3.94. Or you can use your coupon from the July P&G. So what you would do is you would grab 3 of these at $14.82. Yes, $14.82. Now after you grab the 3 of them, you are going to use this buy 2 get 1 free coupon up to, oh, that won't work. So I'll go through and tell you how much the bonuses are. What's this? Can we just get it together, please? Hair. You move 1, clip it, and 5 more pop up. Like, really?